Hello everyone, it's Aul again, and this time I'm gonna tell you about another story called Divergent for the Practice Exam. Divergent is a film directed by Neil Berger and based on a Veronica Roth series of novels, which was released in 2014. The action of the film takes place in the future city of Chicago. At that time, society was divided into 5 factions. The first one, abnegation, the selfless; Amity, the peaceful; Candor, the honest; Erudite, the intellectual; Dauntless, the brave. And there is one more faction possesses abilities from all of faction and also considered a threat to society. They call them Divergent. When the children became 16, they had to take a test to choose which faction was bad for them. They can also select a different faction based on the result of the test. If there is no match, they become factionless who have no place in society. The main character, Beatrice Pryor, takes the test and the result revealed that she is a Divergent. In order to protect Beatrice, the test results were faked into abnegation. On the fateful day, Beatrice chose the Dauntless faction, left her family and changed her name to Trish. She moved to the residence of the Dauntless faction and meets her mentor, Four. The new members are getting ready to start training to prove that they are deserving of a place in the Dauntless headquarters. Eric, a Dauntless leader, warns them that if they don't reach the top of the rankings, they'll be kicked out of the Dauntless and forced to join the factionless. The next day, Trish was helping to unload food supplies from Amity and load to them onto trucks. Trish saw something, then walked to the back of the truck and found her mother, Natalie, who had been hiding to meet Trish so she wouldn't be caught. Trish confesses to being a Divergent. Natalie warns her not to tell anyone about this, because the Erudite are on the lookout for Divergents. Trish undergoes a series of rigorous trainings in order to adapt the Dauntless faction. However, she was always left behind. Four trains Trish to take a simulated fear test and succeed in excelling because, of course, she is a Divergent. Four tells Trish to disguise her power and complete tasks like the other. Then Trish visits Caleb and learns of the Erudite's plan to overthrow the abnegation and become the ruling faction. Trish returns to the base where Four meets her and is suspicious of some Erudite member who came with the serum. The day of the fear test, Trish successfully passes the test without revealing that she is a Divergent. After officially becoming a member of Dauntless, she and the other new recruits are given weapons as they line up for her mission, and they are injected with a tracking device that actually contains an orange mind control serum. The next morning, Dauntless prepares to execute abnegation under Erudite's order. Trish, who is a Divergent, is not affected by the serum, nor is Four. They had to pretend to avoid suspicion and so as not to get caught. When Dauntless moved to attack abnegation, Trish and Four break away from the group to look for Trish's parents. Trish's mother, Natalie, appears and saves her, but she is shot and killed as they try to escape. Several members of the Dauntless faction began attacking members of the abnegation. Trish notices that Four has been injected with a serum that allows him to control and soldier. She fought back and tried to rescue Four several times, but Four was far more powerful and responded by pointing a gun at Trish. Trish tells Four that it's okay if he kills her. Four, on the other hand, can fight the serum and aided Trish in her fight against the wicked Erudite leader Janine. Janine tries to finish their cellular operation, but Trish stabs Janine in the hand with a knife. Four takes a gun with a serum bottle to inject her and also commands Janine to free the Dauntless member and then wipe all data on program on the computer. Janine, recognizing what she'd done, and tries to assault Trish with her knife, but Trish knocks her out of her head. Four and Trish try to flee, the writing that have broken out. Trish is still grieving the loss of her parents and has no idea where she is. They are now factionless and have lost their home and loved ones. However, they will continue to fight. The film ends with Four and Trish in the train that takes them out of the abnegation headquarters towards Amity's headquarters. Actually, this film is a part of series, and there are still sequels, including Insurgent and Allegiant, but I'm only gonna tell you about the first one. Thank you for listening. I'll see you guys later. Bye!